All right. Hello, chiropractic family, or not so chiropractic family, or business family. This is Charlie with Mountain Man Digital. And we're going to stretch out a little bit today. It's actually Thanksgiving today. You guys will probably see this tomorrow. But we're going to stretch out. We're going to get a feel for some other industries, some other places where SEO obviously is still very much being used. So, not just chiropractic family, how about roofing family? Let's go. All right, so what I want to do today is an episode of This Is Why Your Website Sucks. Okay? And I just typed in roofers near me. We're going to grab the first one that I see here in the regular records. Got 10 best roofers, Owens Corning, Yelp, Thumbtack, Better Business Bureau, J. Smeagol Roofing. These are the guys right here who seem to have the #1 record in the area. They do a lot of jobs, etc., etc. So, first of all, let's take a look at the website. How does it look? Well, it seems as though I'm buying something from Klaus, the way that this website is branded, but it is a Klaus roofing system that they're selling. And I think this is a pretty good tactic for roofers, where you're going, I'm selling a system. You're not just hoping that I know what I'm doing as I'm installing this roof. We have really, really good copy here. We have bullet points, which is great so that Google knows what other things you might offer. Replacements, inspections, vinyl siding, cedar siding, fiber cement siding, skylight installations, right? You got a feel for what these guys do. This is very, very good. Now, what else we got here? Got services pages, perfect. They're even subcategoried, which is ideal. We have a testimonials page, which is well filled. I'll give a scroll down. Yeah, well filled. Not just stuffing it. Got a photo gallery. Let's take a look at this. With a ton of photos. Okay, this is great, right? I can't tell you how often I go to a roofer's website and there's one picture, etc. Now the thing, meet the team. I was just going to say the thing I might not like is there might not be pictures of the team, but there is, okay? Everybody looks professional. They're in clean shirts. They have nice pictures. This is what you want to see. Perfect, 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 right? This guy knows what he's doing, okay? Very obviously. Now, if we go ahead and take a look at some of my favorite stuff, you know what I'm going to do, guys. I'm going to throw it into the PageSpeed Insights. We're going to take a look at it through SpyFu, okay? And I bet you a nickel, this site's doing just fine. But isn't this surprising? He's getting like 4 clicks a month, right? Now, to be fair, roof is a pretty big job. It's pretty expensive. Getting that many clicks, right? But if you look, you see he's not even ranking for Pittsfield roofer, for town roofer, right? This is a problem. Now, it's great that his local SEO, let me pull up roofer near me again. It's great that he's paying for some sponsorships so that he shows up in the right places for roofer near me, like right here. And that's helping him in other places, but realistically, what I'm actually seeing here is that he's just the best, he's the least bad. It's not even that he's the best, right? And so what's wrong with the site, right? I've already complimented it quite a bit. But why is this guy only getting 4.5 clicks a month on average? Well, if we take a look at his PageSpeed Insights, it is a classic problem, right? Site looks killer on a computer. This guy Jay Smeagol probably sat down at a computer when this web developer showed him the site and looked at it on a computer and went, wow, it's great. I love it. Just like I did, right? It's a good looking site. But when you bring this thing over to a cell phone, it just doesn't do it. It takes almost 9 seconds to load. Okay? Nobody's waiting 9 seconds. We look at his desktop score. It's fine. It's not great, but it's fine. It's good enough. But this is what's killing them, right? 80% plus of all searches are done on a phone, right? Even people looking to buy roofs, they're looking it up on their phone first. And if you aren't the first one that they look at, you're not getting the business. Okay? So this is what's happening here. It's a very simple mobile page speed problem. And you see it all the time. And it's a shame. Because like I said, the content's great. The pictures are here. The About Us page is dialed. They have a great service area page, right? And Google's just not letting them through the front door because their page speed is so low. All right, guys, so I'm not going to beat a dead horse. This is pretty obvious to me, right? Speed up the site, organize it just a little bit differently, and you're going to have more results. Okay? Get this number higher. Very, very simple. So that's what I got for you today, guys. I hope you found this useful. If you did, share it with any other business owners who you might think find it useful. And I'll see you in the next one.